Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy stocks on Charles Schwab. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to download and install the Charles Schwab app on your device. Now launch it to open. Here you want to sign into your account. So for that, go ahead and enter your credentials over here. Once you have been signed into your account, you want to tap on the trade option over here. In the search bar, enter the ticker symbol or company name. Now you want to enter your order details, select buy option from there and enter the number of shares you want to purchase. Then choose one between market order limit, order stop order or stop limit order. Then you want to choose day order or good till cancelled order. After that you want to double check all the details that you have entered and tap on place order to confirm. Now you can monitor your investment from the order section, and that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to buy stocks on Charles Schwab app. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.